Have you ever wondered how your most sensitive data stays safe in this digital age? What if I told you that a tiny piece of math holds the key to protecting everything from your online banking account to your most favorite social media posts? Stick around because today we are diving into this fascinating world of hash collisions and how they impact your digital security. Hey Defenders, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we explore the coolest tech topics that affects our daily lives. Today, we are going to break down what is called the hash collisions, why they matter, and how blockchain technology keeps our data secure. Trust me, you will want to know this. What is hash collision? So let's get started. Imagine you are in a party and you meet two different people named Alex. Confusing, right? Now, in the digital world, a hash collision happens when two different pieces of data produce the same hash value. This can be a big problem because it could actually allow someone to trick them into thinking that they are someone else, like a magician pulling a sneaky trick. Why are hash collisions a problem? Now, why should you care about hash collisions? In traditional databases, changing or copying data is super easy, right? But that convenience can lead to a trouble. Think about it. If you handed your diary to someone you didn't trust, they could change your secrets without you knowing. This is where blockchain technology comes like a superhero. It creates a tamper-proof record of transaction that everyone can trust. Once something is on the blockchain, it is there for good, which means it can't be changed. Now, how to protect yourself? So you can actually protect yourself from this potential issue related to hash collisions. Here are some simple tips. 1. Always use strong passwords and make sure you use complex passwords that are hard to guess so that you are not prone to a brute force attack or a dictionary based attack. Number 2, if at all possible, always try to use a two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification. Third, also see if you can use a hardware wallet to store your cryptocurrencies because it's high chances that could not be compromised, right? And last but not the least, always stay updated, keep yourself regularly updated about what's happening in this crypto world and educate yourself. Now, having said I've covered these important topics, I would love to hear from you. Have you ever experienced issues with online security, or do you have any tips of your own? Drop in your thoughts in the comment section below. To wrap it all up, hash collisions may sound complicated, but they play a crucial role in keeping the digital world safe. By understanding these concepts and taking steps to protect ourselves, we can actually navigate the online landscape with a lot more confidence. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. Until next time, stay safe, stay secure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights on cybersecurity.